There it is, a crashed airplane hanging off the edge of this cliff. The cockpit glass is shattered, the wind is rattling everything. It's tilted dangerously, one strong storm and it could fall. I'm stepping onto the wing, it bends slightly under my weight. The cabin door is stuck, I'm forcing it open.
Finally. Ugh, the dust.
The seats are destroyed, debris everywhere. The sun's setting behind it, it looks abandoned but powerful. Vines have started taking over the fuselage. I'm brushing dust off the control panel, everything's dead. We're looking at each other, this might actually work.
We reinforce this section.
Okay, I've got it down. What about securing the tail?
We're unloading tools onto the wing. I'm dragging these broken seats out of the cabin. The metal is rusted, but it's still strong.
Give it another good hit. No, it gave.
I'm walking carefully along the wing with the rope secured. Sunlight is finally reaching the cleared cabin. The waves are crashing right under the nose.
Secure the other side. That should hold it for now.
We're installing support beams to reinforce the structure. I'm measuring the interior, planning the layout. Cutting through this metal, sparks everywhere.
Hold that,
We're
ready to
building
plank.
scaffolding around the plane.
Coming up.
I'm testing the new floorboards solid.
Solid? Yeah, that's good. Just need to secure the ends now.
We're installing glass into the broken window frames. The first bed frame is going inside.
We can start the structural reinforcement here.
We're reviewing the design as the sun sets.
Let's hope so. We need to finish these charts.
From outside, you can see light glowing through the windows. Solar panels are going on the roof. We're bringing in the sofa pieces. This deck extension is going to change everything. The kitchen counter is finally installed. Glass railings are secured along the wing.
Almost there. This glass needs to be perfectly secure.
We're building the bedroom loft above the cockpit. The interior lights are on, it feels like home. I'm standing at the nose balcony, the horizon is unreal. We're building a rope bridge to connect it to the cliff. The dining table is assembled.
I think that goes here. No, look at the diagram. It needs to be rotated 90 degrees.
Ah, you're right.
Outdoor lounge chairs are set on the wing deck. The shower system is installed inside the fuselage. I'm stepping onto the glass floor you can see below. String lights are going up along the railing.
Perfect. Just plug them in.
Wow.
Beautiful.
We're adding plants to bring it to life. I'm making breakfast with the ocean right outside. At twilight, the whole plane is glowing. We're finally sitting down, just watching the waves. I'm climbing the spiral stairs to the upper deck. The hammock is swinging gently over the edge. We're arranging plants by the panoramic windows. At night, the lights make it feel warm and calm. From above, it looks completely transformed. I'm walking barefoot along the wooden deck. The mirror reflects the ocean behind us. From up here, the whole space feels open. The structure is fully reinforced now. We're hanging artwork on the walls. The bed is made soft and luxurious. The nose deck is extended even further. Through the skylight, the sunset looks insane. I'm cooking dinner in our new kitchen. The deck lanterns glow against the dark ocean. We're eating dinner by the window.
This tastes incredible. I'm glad you like it.
The interior feels completely open and alive. I'm walking along the cliff railing at golden hour. The workspace is finally set up. The lounge area is fully styled now. Lighting candles as the sun goes down.
Isn't it? It's perfect.
The interior at night feels cinematic. I'm staring out through the massive glass panels. From this angle, it looks like a luxury mansion. I'm sitting on the swing above the water. Morning coffee, watching the sunrise.
It smells incredible. Thanks. Thank you.
Walking across this glass balcony feels unreal. The sunlight fills the bedroom. We're relaxing on the outdoor lounge.
Me too. It's beautiful.
The bathtub overlooks the entire ocean. I'm climbing up to the rooftop deck. The stars are incredibly clear tonight. We're setting up dinner right at the nose.
To us. To us.
The living room glows softly. I'm sitting at the edge watching the sunset. Setting up the telescope under the twilight sky.
Look at that one.
Look at that one.
Absolutely beautiful.
Candles flicker inside the cabin. The fire pit is burning softly
Stay
outside.
here forever.
Me too. It's perfect.
We're toasting to what we built. Cooking a full meal in our finished kitchen.
It smells amazing. Just right.
Looking down through the glass floor at everything below. Golden light covers the entire plane. From above, it doesn't look abandoned anymore. It looks unstoppable.